In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the shell on your remote key fob if it's all scratched up and dinged and you just want it to look new. I'm also going to show you how to get to the battery in case you need to replace the battery on your remote and keep the same shell, even if you don't want to replace the shell. So I'll show you how to replace the battery as well. Welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video for you guys today. If you've got a Lexus with one of these keys, the shell looks like this, or even the older one, and it's been tossed around in a purse or pocket with keys and things, they usually get all scratched up, banged up. They work fine, but I just wanted to replace the shell just to have one that doesn't have all these scratches on it. It's hard to see in the video, but it's kind of just scratched up here and there. I found a place that sells online the shell by itself, and today we're going to replace it. Should fit right up, hopefully. Looks the same. The only difference I can see is the icon. This one's got a car trunk. This one's got the SUV trunk. I don't really care about that. I couldn't find one with the SUV trunk, but there may be some out there. I'm not sure. Otherwise, they're almost identical. There's a slight difference in the, let's see if I can get you a good shot here, side by side. There's a slight difference in the indentation around the buttons. That shouldn't be a big deal. You've got hold written here and here, and the new one doesn't have hold written. Again, not a big deal. And then the rest of it looks pretty similar. You also don't have the Lexus logo on the back of this shell versus the old one that does. This new one also comes with a fresh uncut key that you can have your locksmith cut for your vehicle as the valet key. And in this case, I'm gonna see if the old one fits, and I'm just gonna put my old key in there because I don't necessarily need a new one cut. There's the two keys next to each other. You can see mine's cut, this one's not. Let's see if it fits in the new key shell. Clips right in, fits correctly, so that's good. Don't need to have the key cut. First thing you want to do is remove your valet key. In order to do that, there's a little spot right here where it says push. You push on this side of it, so you push down right there. You see it pops up like that. When you push down there, it'll unlock the key and you can pull it out from here. And the key should slide right out. Now, if you take a look inside here, you're gonna see that little slot right there. And what you wanna do is take your key, put it into that slot and twist, and it'll pop the shell apart. It'll separate the inside and outside halves. Once you get it apart, this is what you've got left. This is the outer half of the key fob where the buttons are, and this is the inside half where the circuit board is. And if you flip it over, that circuit board will pop out and you've got access to your battery right there. It's a CR2032 if you want to buy a replacement for it. And you just pop it out, pop the new battery in, and you're good to go. In this case, I'm not replacing the battery. I'm just going to take this and put it into the new key shell. So let's get this new one apart. Again, you want to put your key into that little slot, twist, and it'll pop it open. All right, we've got that taken apart. Let's take a look. Everything the same. Yeah, mostly looks the same. There's small differences in, well, actually I got this thing upside down. There we go. So you can tell here, this one's molded a little bit differently. Outside of that, everything else looks identical. The little standoffs are in the same spot, which is good. That means this will fit the same. So let's take this, place it in there. Okay, fits fine, lines up correctly. And then we'll take the outer shell and we'll clip this guy back together. You want to place it right there, line up everything, and then you just push it back together. All right, we got it back together. Got a nice brand new shell now, no more scratches. I'm gonna put the old key back in here. There we go. Clicks in, all good there. And that's it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I know it's a simple one, and maybe you don't care if your key's scratched up. I always just get bothered by the little things like that. So there it is.